Good morning, good evening, good night. Not sure what time zone you guys watching it at, what time of day watching it at, but your time is greatly appreciated for sure. Where we at? We're trading Bitcoin. That's what we're doing here. We talking Bitcoin. We enjoying Bitcoin, and we trying to make some money with this Bitcoin. So, disclaimer: not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert in technical analysis, not an expert trader, learning and growing with you, through you, and hopefully you can learn something from me as well. That's what it is, and that's what it's going to be. Another thing is, best thing to do with your Bitcoin is just to hold on to it and don't do nothing with it. And that's what we're doing with the larger portion of our Bitcoin. We're taking a small percentage of our Bitcoin and we're looking to attempt to increase our position in Bitcoin. Risky play, but no risk, no reward. So we're capable, we're willing to risk it, and that's what we're doing. The risk in trading this small percentage of Bitcoin is that you could lose all of it, or I could lose all of it. And again, it's just a small percentage. So basically, I'm saying to myself, I could lose 100% of the Bitcoin that I'm trading with. And that's all I could lose, is 100% of it. But on the flip side, I can gain 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700%, right? So I feel the most important thing for everybody to do is try to increase their position in Bitcoin and get as much of that as you can, as soon as you can. And if you want to do this to get it, if you want to do that to get it, there's a few things that I'm doing. Trading is one of the things that I'm trying to do right now. I am doing right now in order to, again, make my Bitcoin bag as big as it can get. Because it's 2021 right now. And where we're at right now is every man and every woman's got to have a big bag of Bitcoin. People might not see it yet, but trust me, we're really approaching that time. So a trade that I'm in, for those who are interested in trading, I'm longing the price of Bitcoin. I'm doing some margin trading right now. Longing the price of Bitcoin. I wish I thought about this quite a few months ago or years ago, if that matter. But you know when you know it, and you apply what you know, and that's what we're doing. So I got a good entry price, or I got an entry price. Almost any price is good for Bitcoin, depending on how you're trading it. But I got an entry price at about 55,800, not about, exactly $55,845.31. And my liquidation price is 46,000. Okay, it could be a little bit lower. But the theory behind what I'm doing and why I'm doing and why I think it's so safe and why I wish I was doing it a lot earlier is that we see a level of support. Now, the basic technical analysis that I see, again, moving forward, I'm going to have the charts and we can, so that you could view what I'm viewing and see what I'm seeing and think what I'm thinking, and let me know if I'm thinking straight, crooked, narrow, whatever. You can let me know in the comment section below. And what I'm seeing right now is that we have such a strong level of support at about 46,500, where I'm anticipating that the price of Bitcoin shouldn't really go below for the remainder of the bull run. Will it go below that next year, next 7 months from now? Maybe. But based off of the predictable pattern of Bitcoin and its cyclical nature, I think it's a safe bet to believe that we are going to continue to be in a bull market for the next 4 months or so. This pattern occurred 4 years ago, 2017, and this pattern occurred 4 years before that, 2013. Okay, so every 4 years, Bitcoin do about the same thing that it's done each 4 years prior. It might break that cycle, who knows? Until it does, I'm just going to work with, hey, let's understand where the price movement is predicted to go, and let's try and squeeze some more Bitcoin out of it, more so than we could have if we just bought Bitcoin, which is a good thing to do as well. Buy Bitcoin, but if you can get Bitcoin for free, that's even better in my books. Can't trade Bitcoin unless you have Bitcoin. You can find some links in the description below. I buy Bitcoin from ShakePay, link in the description below. I also buy some Bitcoin from crypto.com. ShakePay is for Canadians, easiest way for Canadians to buy and sell Bitcoin. Crypto.com, if you're outside Canada, or if you're in Canada and you want to use Crypto.com, they have more of a variety of cryptocurrencies. And if you're into other cryptocurrencies, altcoins, which I am as well, but if you are into that, you can also go to Crypto.com, and again, link in the description below. You could acquire a plethora of cryptocurrencies from there. So back to my trade. I'm in there. I got an entry price at $55,845. My stop loss is below the level of support. Again, we feel like the level of support, if the price does for whatever reason get close to that, that's where all the buyers are. And then the buyers will start to get aggressive, and they like that price, and they will eat it up and get the price to go high. Aggressive buyers increases the price. So my stop loss, or I didn't really do a stop loss, but my liquidation price, the price where I will lose the trade and all the money that I put in the trade will be lost, is below that level of support. I feel like it's a basic, easy, simple trade. And again, it's just a small percentage of my holdings. So if I lose 100% of it, I won't cry. I am a crier. I won't cry. I won't lose sleep. But on the flip side, if it does what it could do and it goes up to 700, 800%, I might cry tears of joy. So that's the play I'm playing right now. Again, I'm going to keep you guys posted, keep you guys updated where I'm at, what I'm doing. I'm learning through Ivan on Tech Academy, and there's some indicators that I'm going to start playing with this week called the MACD and the RSI. These are trend reversal indicators. So that trade that I spoke to you guys about just a couple minutes ago, I'm going to keep that trade, and I'm going to ride it for the duration of the bull market. I'm going to start opening other trades, more sophisticated trades, where I can come in and out and try and get the price, get the benefits of the price action. Because we're in a bull market, and because I'm a beginner, I'm just going to focus on longing. I'm look for indicators that say, okay, the price is going to go up now. And I feel like the probabilities are more in my favor because we're in a bull market, because the trend is your friend, that yes, I see an opportunity where it's going to go up a little bit. Let me take that, let me step into the market and take a little bit of that price action and come out hopefully safely and soundly. That's what I'm going to do. When we're in the bear market and the prices start going down, then I'm going to start changing my strategy. That's my game plan. If you like it, let me know in the comment section below. If you don't like it, let me know in the comment section below, and let's learn and grow together. So that's where we're at. And I'll keep you guys posted, try and get a video out every week and let you know. Right now the trade is looking good because from last night to tonight the price has gone up. Remember, my entry price was 55. I've been in there for like maybe more than a week or so, so I was in the negative a little bit, but then I just realized that let me just relax, man. It's not a problem to be in the negative a little bit. And kind of, when I first started, I was like, oh no, it's in the red, it's in the red, it's in the red. Problems. But it's not going to just go straight up. And we as long as we have a nice level of support underneath us and a good stop loss, we should just be able to ride out the negative until we get into the positive, like we're at right now, or like where I'm at right now. And that's it. I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your suggestion. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being you. Be the best you can. And remember, you are the best, and you deserve the best.